Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering things correctly. Charge the case and leave both AirPods Pro 3 inside, because pairing uses the case's setup button. Once done, make sure your laptop's Bluetooth is on and visible. This prevents automatic connections to other devices. You should also close music or conferencing apps so they won't seize the new audio route. Now open the Bluetooth settings panel on your laptop and keep it visible while you proceed. This is where the device will appear in a moment. You open the case lid and press the setup button on the back for about 1.5 to 2 seconds until the status LED flashes white. This puts the AirPods Pro 3 into pairing mode. While the LED is flashing, look at your laptop's Bluetooth device list and refresh it if necessary. When the entry labeled AirPods Pro appears, click or tap it to connect. This is the only correct device for these earbuds, so avoid selecting similarly named items from other Apple gear. You confirm the connection by checking your laptop's sound output. Select AirPods Pro 3 as both input and output if the laptop offers that choice, because apps will follow the system routing. If you don't hear anything, turn Bluetooth off and on, close and reopen the lid, then reconnect. This often fixes transient link issues. If pairing still fails, reset the AirPods by holding the case button about 15 seconds until the LED goes amber then white. Then repeat pairing. This clears stubborn states and you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.